everyone, this is Jen. Happy New Year! I would just like to share with you what we got for the holidays. We recently went to the Europe, and my brother-in-law just came from the US, so I got some few items from the US as well. So, medyo marami yung items, but I'll try to do unboxing very fast, very quickly. I will not be doing an in-depth review on each one, but if you want me to do that, let me know in the comment section below so I can try to make a video for you if you're interested. So, without further ado, let's start. So, these two are the collective items from the US. As you can see in the box, so shoes siya. It's from Kaitlyn Pan. Actually, dupe lang siya for Valentino. I would just like to try kasi if it will be nice. And nakita ko kasi sa review, sobrang okay na mga reviews niya. So, ganito yung itsura niya. And super pretty. Sobrang ganda. The color is nude. So, this is a dupe for the Valentino Rockstuds. And honestly, sobrang ganda niya. Ang presyo niya is parang 1 out of 10 of the Valentino shoes. I also got the original Valentino shoes, but ito siguro yung gagamitin kong pang everyday shoes. Kasi, at least, hindi siya ganun kamahal pag nasira. Skincare and makeups are from Tarte and as well as from Sephora. Kasi, birthday ko, so I have to get my birthday gift. So, sayang naman kung hindi ko i-avail yung birthday gift. So, the first is from Tarte. Actually, matagal ko nang gusto tong Tartelette Palette in Bloom. So, it covers very natural shades and also parang blooming ka lang, di ba? Sobrang ganda ng mga shades niya. Yeah. This is the second item from Tarte. So, this is the Lip Lingerie. It says, Pout Pleasure Lip Set. So, itong mga lip set na to, usually, pag Pasko, maraming ganito. And, ang ganda ng mga shades. Wearable siya for everyday use. So, next are from Sephora. And, I just picked up the tattoo liner from Kat Von D. And, this is the Matte Max Brown Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. So, this is the Stay in Place makeup. I actually like my Marc Jacobs Remarkable Foundation, but I have to try this Estee Lauder. Pag sa Sephora kasi maraming gifts, diba? So, ito yung birthday gift ko. It's from Tarte. Sobrang cute. Ang liit ng lip paint. Super cute. So, ito rin, sobrang cute. Ang liit lang nung blush on niya. I have the big blush on of Tarte. So, ito, sobrang liit lang niya. Ang cute. Sobrang cute. Clinic pala is moisture spray. So, it's perfect for refreshing your face throughout the day. So, this is also a free. This is Bite Beauty Matte Cream Lip Crayon. And, yan. Ang dami ko ng lip products. And, pero, ito, sobrang ganda ng shade niya. Para siyang lips, but better. And then, free din yung samples. Tarte Maracuja Sea Brighter. Para siyang eye treatment. And then, that's it. I have shampoo and conditioner from Verb. And the Story Birch sample perfume. Ay, the perfume. Kasi gusto ko bumili ng malaki nito. Pero, tatry ko muna. So, ang cute niya. So, pwede siyang pang travel. Bango. So, that is it from the unboxing from the US. Okay. Let's start with skincare. Actually, the skincare, I got both from Europe and at the same time Korea. Kasi ang stopover namin was in Korea. So, I got few facial masks kasi mahilig din ako sa facial mask. As in, ang first item na nabili ko doon is this It's Skin Prestige Mask Descargo. Firming, soothing, moisturizing. Ingredient niya is snail secretion filtrate. And then, since nagustuhan ko siya, bumalik ako. Bumili na lang ako ng parang cheaper version niya. Pero maganda pa rin. As in, na-try ko na yung isa niya. Ito yung Eat Skin Gold Foil Mask. So, kung ito, gel type, this is the mask type. Ang ganda ng mask niya kasi para siyang gold. If I can do a clip, I'll insert a clip to show you kung gaano kaganda yung gold foil niya. May free ako na Eat Skin din na Ampoule Solution Mask Sheet na specific for pores. And then, I also bought this Mediheal kasi parang gusto ko i-try yung Mediheal kasi popular din siya. This is the mask-based Ampoule. And it's a smart mask daw. So, 2-step siya. Lagay mo muna yung Ampoule and then afterward, you put the mask. Uemura Cleansing Oil. So, this is the brightening one. I'm using yung dark brown one, which is the 7 oils yata, which is targeted for anti-aging. But, binigyan kasi ako ng free sample ng ganito. Nung tinry ko siya, sobrang nagustuhan ko siya kasi mas milky, brightening, polishing, gentle cleansing oil. So, I always do double cleanse. So, oil muna and then facial wash. So, ito lang yung bottle niya. Okay. In Korea, I also, ang weird na, sa Korea ako bumili. Pero bumili rin ako ng Clarins. So, Clarins, the serum, and also the eye cream. So, yung serum niya, matagal na namin ginagamit yung White Plus Tri-Intensive Brightening Serum. Pero ito, bago yung packaging niya kasi 50 ml na siya. Dati 30 ml lang. So, mas malaki na yung bottle niya. So, mas mahaba na yung bottle niya. Okay. And then, the eye cream. This is the Super Restorative Total Eye Concentrate. And then, may free lang from Clarins. This is the Treatment Essence. This is the Extra Firming Day Cream. Extra Firming Night Cream. And finally, Extra Firming Mask. So, this is targeted for anti-aging. And also, it comes with a free pouch. Bumili rin ako ng skincare from Paris. And you can buy skincares sa pharmacy. And the first cult product is the Bioderma. This is the micellar water, I think. This Embryolix cream concentrate. So, it's a moisturizer, makeup primer, moisturizing mask. So, very popular din to. Ginamit ko na siya kasi naging dry yung skin ko sa Europe kasi medyo malamig. Hindi medyo, as in malamig talaga. Since mahilig nga ako sa sprays. So, this is the Avene Thermal Spring Water. Hand cream, which is the L'Occitane 20% Shea Butter. I like Caudalie, pero doon ko siya nabili kasi mura siya. So, this is the holiday packaging. So, this is the first one I bought. Ang tip ko pala sa'yo, if you want to buy Caudalie, bili ka sa mismong Caudalie store. Kasi yung itong unang nabili ko, sa pharmacy ko siya nabili. And medyo mahal. So, pero sa Caudalie store, mas mura. This is the Caudalie Vinyl Perfect Serum. So, it's a Radiance Serum. Complexion correcting. That is it. The Caudalie. And then, meron siyang free Beauty Elixir Smooth Glowing Complexion. So, ito, gusto ko rin talaga bilhin kasi si Carly Kloss, gumagamit siya nito. She always has one in her bag to spray her face. Big size of it. So, this is the packaging, the limited edition packaging na gold yung bottle. And then, may free din siya na lip balm. So, it's a tinted lip balm, which is very good. Sa ibang bansa, ang ganda pag bumili ka, marami kang free samples, diba? So, I had samples. So, this is the shower gel. And this is the Binosaur's moisturizing, sorry, and some mask and deep exfoliator. Just a hand cream also. Hindi ko masyado gusto tong hand cream na to. L'Occitane is way better. Let's go to makeup. These are the only makeups that I bought from Europe, except from the ones in the makeups in US. But sa Europe, specifically in London, you can only get Charlotte Tilbury. Although meron din Charlotte Tilbury sa US, pero mas feeling ko cheaper in London kasi taga doon si Charlotte, si Tita Charlotte. So, very luxe products, very ganda ng packaging. So, actually, sa self-regist ko nabili most ng products. And, nakalagay siya sa box na to. Sobrang ganda. Big lips na naka-gold foil. And then, naka-purple, deep purple burgundy na box. And if I open this, it's full of not only makeups, meron din siyang skincare. Filmstar Bronze and Glow. So, ang packaging niya ganyan. So, if you open this and this, and then, pagkabukas mo, andun siya. So, the secret, may mga sinasabi pa siya dito. The secret that silver screen sirens have kept themselves for years. So, ito daw ang secret. So, ang ganda ng packaging. As in, ayan siya. It's a rose gold packaging. And if you open it, ayan ang sculpt and highlight. The next one is this powder. This is the Airbrush Flawless Finish. Naka rose gold lahat. Ang ganda. Sobrang slick lang niya. Ang nipis lang. Tapos pagbukas mo, na may city sa harap. Ganyan lang siya. Powder lang siya. As in. And then, meron nakalagay na Charlotte Tilbury dito. Tsaka may star. O, diba? Feeling star. Very famous lip liner, which is the Pillowtalk. And I also bought the matching lipstick Matte Revolution in Pillowtalk also. And ang sabi nung nagbebenta, sobrang amazing ng color na to kasi halos lahat ng skin tone, it matches. So, this is what it looks like, yung lip liner. And then, yeah, that's it. That's the color. Lipstick is very nice also kasi it's also a rose gold packaging. If you open it, kalagay lang Charlotte Tilbury all over. And this is the color. It's very nice. That's it for the makeup from Charlotte Tilbury. But I also got these two semi-skincare because it's a makeup base. So, this is the new Brightening Youth Glow. Kasi meron siya yung parang glowy makeup base din. But this is the new version. It's anti-aging, color-correcting, and glow booster. So, marami siyang, yun yung good thing about Charlotte Tilbury. Parang ang dami niyang mga added sa mga products niya for skincare, ganyan, for anti-aging. So, this is what it looks like. Ang sinasabi niya, sa lahat ng models niya, ina-apply niya muna yung magic cream so that moisturize yung skin para kakapit yung makeup. So, this is the famous magic cream. And, ang ganda niya. So, this is the Charlotte's Magic Cream. Instant turnaround moisturizer with SPF 15. So, pang umaga lang siya kasi may SPF 15 siya. Yeah, that's it. I got some free samples. So, I got magic cream in sachets, Wonder Glow in sachets, another magic cream, and Wonder Glow as well. So, also, I got this perfume for free because pag more than 75 pounds, you get free perfume. But actually, the free should be 100 ml. But since they ran out of stock, ang available na lang nila is 30 ml. Which I'm still happy about kasi sobrang bango nito. At ang ganda ng packaging pa rin, as usual. So, the perfume is called Scent of a Dream. Scent of Dream. So, it's the perfume. So, this is what it looks like. Para siyang jewel. And meron siyang Charlotte Tilbury. And this is only 30 ml. sobrang bango. As in, sobrang bango niya. Okay. I'm done with the skincare, the makeup, etc.